Hello students, myself Professor Ashwini Tekare from MCA Department, JSPM Nare Technical Campus Pune. Now, while starting the MCA program, we have to utilize with multiple programming languages. From all these languages, we are going to see here basic Java programming. And from the basic Java programming, we are going to cover following points. What is a Java, where it is used, what are the features of Java, difference between C++ and Java, applications of a Java, access specifiers in Java, and basic syntax for writing the Java program and how to write a basic simple Java program. Now, what is a Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is developed by Sun Microsystem and it is executed on JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine. Java is used for developing the web application, mobile games, and much more. Now, features of the Java. Java is a simple programming language because it follows all the rules of C++. Java is a platform independent language because of its write once and use anywhere method. Java follows OOPS concept, that is object oriented concept. First one, object. Object is an instance of a class. For example, table is the instance of class furniture. Class is the collection of object. For example, furniture is the class. It's a real world entity. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process of data binding. Means we can bind the data member and functions togetherly. Abstraction. Abstraction refers to the concept of data hiding. We can utilize the concept of abstraction within Java with the help of abstract classes and interfaces. Inheritance. Inheritance is the concept in which derived class can acquire all the properties of the base class. For example, we all have acquired our surname from our parents and grandparents. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is the concept in which we can perform one task in multiple ways. Multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded programming language because we can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Java is a secured language because there is an internal pointer. Java is a dynamic language because it supports the dynamic memory allocation. Access specifiers within the Java. Java uses three types of access specifiers, that is public, private and protected. Access specifiers defines the visibility mode of a variables and function. Now first one, public access specifier. Variables and functions declared within this session are accessible within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the packages. Private access specifiers. Variables and class functions declared within this session are accessible within that particular class only. Protected access specifiers. For this access specifier, we have to utilize the concept of inheritance. Means without the child class, we can't access the variables and functions declared within this session. Now, our next point is what rules we have to follow while writing the Java programming. First one, Java is a case sensitive programming language. Means variable declared within the uppercase and lowercase having the same meaning is different. Next one, Java, each and every statement in Java ends with a semicolon. While writing the class name, first letter should be the uppercase. While writing the method name, first letter should be within the lowercase. And each and every program of a Java will contain a compulsory or mandatory part, that is public static void main. And we have to store our Java program with .java extension. But your file name should exactly match with your class name. Now we are going to see how to write a simple Java program. For writing the Java program, we have to use import java.io.star. Means we can utilize all the classes, packages and interfaces utilized within input output class. So how to write a Java program? Public class example, where E should be within the uppercase because our rule says that first letter should be within the uppercase. Now give the opening curly bracket. Public static void main, within the bracket string args. public is the access specifier, static is used for we are executing our program without the object. So we have used here the keyword static. Void main is the method which is the starting point of our program, and within this program we are just going to display an output that is hello. For this, write down system.out.println, within a bracket double quote put down hello, double quote complete, and our statement ends with a semicolon. Put the two curly brackets to complete our program, and output will be the hello.